In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a booklet in Google Docs. Whether you're looking to create a professional document for work, or perhaps you're just exploring a creative project at home, making a booklet in Google Docs is a straightforward task, and I'm here to guide you through each step. Let's get started by heading over to Google Drive. Simply open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. You'll want to ensure you're logged into your Google account before proceeding. Upon arriving on the home page of Google Drive, your next step is to look for the New button, typically found in the upper left corner of your screen. Click on this New button and a drop-down menu will appear. From this selection, you'll see an option for Google Docs. Click on it and a new blank document will open up in a new tab. This fresh, clean slate is where you'll be setting up your booklet. Once in Google Docs, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top and click on File. This will present a menu with several options. From here, find and select Page Setup, which is critical as it determines the overall layout of your booklet. A window will pop up showing you the page setup options. Here's where you'll adjust the document's margins to fit the format of a booklet. Change all the margins, top, bottom, left, and right to 0.5 inches. This adjustment gives your booklet a balanced and professional appearance. After setting your margins, click OK to apply these changes. The next task involves structuring the document into columns, which is essential for booklet formatting. Head over to the menu bar again, this time selecting Format. Hover over the Columns option and click on More Options. A new menu will appear that allows you to customize your column settings. Switch the number of columns from 1 to 2 as this is standard for booklets. It's also a good idea to check the box labeled Line Between Columns. This option adds a visual separator between the columns, enhancing readability. Once you've adjusted these settings, click Apply to configure your document. Now you're ready to introduce the final touch by inserting a column break. Navigate up to the Insert tab in the menu bar and choose Column Break. This ensures that your text will move to the next column as needed. Congratulations, your Google Docs document is now set up as a booklet. You can start typing into your newly formatted document to test that everything looks as it should. This setup will make it much easier to organize your content in a booklet format, ready for printing or sharing. Happy creating!